Hello, my name is Sheikh Muhammad Faiz bin Sheikh Muhammad Fahmi. For the question number 1 is, if the shortest side is decreasing at the rate of 2 inches of a minute, at what rate is the longer side is decreasing? So the shorter, you can assume is dx over dt equals to minus 2. So, as what they say, the longer side is always 3 times the length of the shortest side. So y equals to 3x, and then we can continue into differentiate each of the side. So dy over dt, we get 3 dx over dt, while dx over dt equals to negative 2. Dy over dt we can assume is 3 times negative 2. So dy dt is negative 6. So the weight of the longest side is decreasing is of 6 inch over minute. For the question 2 is, at what rate is the enclosed area decreasing when the shortest side is 6 inches long and is decreasing at the rate of 2 inches over minute? The second question is, at what rate is the enclosed area decreasing when the shortest side is 6 inches longer and is decreasing at the rate of 2 inches over minute? So we can assume is area equals to S, while X equals to 6 minus 2t. Because the question says the shorter side is 6 inches longer. So when the shorter side is 6 inches longer, the longer side is actually 3 times the length of the shorter side. So 6 times 3 is actually 18. So 18 minus 60. 60 because 2 times 3 is 6. So we can continue our calculation. So S equals to X times Y, and X is 6 minus 2t, while Y is 18 minus 60. So we can get this 12t square minus 72t plus 108. So we get 24t minus 72 if we differentiate ds over dt. The rate of the enclosed area decreasing is actually 24t of minus 72 square inches over minute.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Hafizam. Today I will present question number 2a. This question I will set the graph and find the intersection point. This is a graph that I have made using the Desmos application, and the first intersection point is negative 0.614, and the second intersection point is 0.962. Next question number 2b. I have found the area bounded by the two curves. By this, I summarize his calculation. I use the integration formula and make a calculation using a calculator until I get negative 0.219 units to the power of 2. Next question to C. This question asks to determine the volume of the region when it rotates 360 degrees about the x-axis. I have made a calculation using the same formula, and I will explain it briefly. This calculation is the formula upper limit and lower limit upper curve and lower curve dx. Calculation according to step by step. His answer is 5.815 units to the power of 3. After making the calculation, that's all my simple answer. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Thank you, Tajul Hafizam, for presentation of question 2. Now going to question 3. My name is Muhammad Danish bin Shazurani. Of course, for question 3a, it given us that one dividend integral 3 over x minus 2 power 5 with the upper limit of 1 and a lower limit of 0. Now to find it, I just take x minus 2 power 5, move it up, bring it up to 3. So the power of 5 will become negative 5. Then integrate it normally. We get 3x minus 2 power of negative 4 over 4. And after that, I will just replace x with the upper and lower limit. Therefore, I will get like this. After that, I will solve it. Then I will get negative 0.05 plus 0.05. Therefore, my answer will be negative 0.7. Now moving to question B, the question asks us to find the approximate value by using trapezoidal and Simpson rule for n equal to 8, meaning the strip is 8. Therefore, as you say, I use Desmos graphing tool to make the graph. And as you can here, there's 8 strips, and each strip, the width of it is equal to h. So h, how to find h is h equal to upper limit minus lower limit over number of strips, which is 1 minus 0 over 8, so we get 1 over 8 or 0.13. So using the table, you can see how many strips here. So x coordinates and the y coordinates. So to find the x coordinates, you start with the lower limit, and to find the y coordinate, just replace x, replace the in the equation, replace x with the x coordinates. Therefore, but in order to find s1 and s2, you must plus the 0 coordinate with 0.13. Therefore, you get the first coordinate is 0.13, and the second coordinate is 0.26. And replace and find y2 everything. You will just replace x with the x coordinates. In order then firstly, before calculating the trapezoidal, you need to sum of the ordinates from the first ordinate, or should I say ordinate 1 till ordinate 7. Therefore you will get -4.75. Therefore you just for trapezoidal formula is 1 over 2 h the first ordinate y0 plus 2 times the sum of ordinates from y1 till y7 plus the last ordinate, which is y8. So you can see here is the equation. Just replace everything, and you will get here 0.07 times -12.59, and your area is -0.88 unit square. That's for trapezoidal. For Simpson rule, it's important for that to sum all of the ordinates. So you can see here, you will get -3.03, and sum of even ordinates, which is -0.19. Here you will get -1.72. For Simpson rule, there's a formula: 1 over 3 h y the first ordinate, or should I say y0, plus 4 times the odd ordinates, which is y1, y3, and y5 and y7, plus 2 times the even ordinates, which is 2, y2, y4, and y6, plus the last ordinate. So you can see this is the equation. So that, solve it all, you will get 0.04 times -19.12, and your answer, you should get -0.76 unit square. That's all for me. Thank you very much.